Hey there, what is going on? This is Rob from panter.vis and welcome to a new episode of What Else Can You Do With Your Logo. Today we're going to study this interesting sun rays or neon rays or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to apply it on my own brand's logo. If you want to do it on text, you can press or select here the type tool and just click it and you type in whatever you want. And after that, you go to objects and select expand and click OK. So now it's basically expanded. Now you can apply the effect. Make sure you're on the stroke. Right now, as you can see, I'm on the fill. I'm gonna click on none, so it's gonna disappear. I'm gonna click on the stroke. If you have something on the stroke, that's fine. I'm gonna select the black color and let's select the line segment tool. Okay, press and hold shift and just pull it from left to right. Let's go to this, the rotate tool. Double click on the rotate tool and let's add, I'm gonna add like 3 degrees, click copy and then press Ctrl+D until it's going to make a raise, basically. There you go. And I'm gonna group this, go to object, expand, click OK. So now the raise is expanded, and I'm also going to unite all these lines together. So I'm gonna go to the Pathfinder and click on the unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, then go to Windows and select here the Pathfinder. I'm gonna recolor this so I know what I'm working with. I don't even know if I need to. I'm gonna make it gray right now. I'm gonna right click on groups. So right now, as you can see, the logo is on the bottom, which is fine, which is good. And now I'm gonna scale this down, press and hold Shift plus Alt so you can scale down at a raise. I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna create a new copy, press and hold Alt. So because basically we need to apply this effect on every and each letter. And now I'm going to apply the effect on each letter. So I'm going to zoom in, click on the P, and make sure that you're on white. You're on white. And press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+F. This is how you create a new copy. Or you can also press on Edit and paste in front. So basically, it's going to paste another copy in front. So from here, press Ctrl+Shift+ right bracket. As you can see in the down left corner, you can see the shortcut clearly, down and left bracket basically. But you also can right click on the form and go to arrange and bring to front. Now we have these selected. I'm gonna select all the 3 of these. So the P, which is in the back, the raise, and the P, which is in the front. And now I'm gonna go to the transparency. If you don't have the transparency, go to Windows and select transparency, which is located down here, and click on make mask. As you can see, we applied the mask. I'm gonna do it with all of them. And here you go. It looks pretty weird right now, but I can customize these one by one. So I'm gonna, for example, if I want to customize the letter P, then I just double click on the letter P and I can move this effect wherever I want. So first thing, I want to scale this up a little more because all of them are scaled up. And I might place it right here. And done. So this is a little bit more complicated because we got a lot of stuff going on. And for example, if I want to select, let's say the letter N, actually right now I can select that, but let's say I want to select the A letter, for example, the letter A, and it is going to move the letter T. So what I want to do is right click and arrange send to back. And right now I got even more access to the letter A. So as you can see right now, I selected the letter N, right now the letter A, but the letter N is basically annoying me. So I'm gonna do the same thing, arrange, send to back, and now I got even more access. As you can see, the letter R is in the way. So this is the stuff with this, it's a little bit more complicated. You need more patience. And now I got full access to the letter A, and voila. And of course, you can also recolor these. I just gonna double click on one of these, select the letter P. I gonna recolor it black first, and I'm gonna recolor this, the rays. You're gonna release it, and this is how you recolor it. You also can recolor the background, and you also can recolor the rays. And here you go, we got a colorful option also. So yeah, this is basically it. Thanks for watching. If you're of course new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And yeah, check out the other videos as well. Have a good one. Bye bye.